Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Moto Edge 60 and Moto Edge 60 Pro. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two phones come with an IP68 rating. Next, compare display features. Both phones come with 6.7 inches P-OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Hardware features. Both two devices are powered by the Mediatek chipset. Camera features. They offer the same camera features. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. Both phones include 5G connectivity to the speakers and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.